taken us a little while to get here, but we're now in the most northern part of Sri Lanka, known as Jaffna. It's largely untouched and unvisited by Western tourists. It's a place made infamous by the Tamil Tigers and the scene of the Civil War. Being so close to South India, the region has a reputation for fiery, spicy dishes.
Chili powder.
6 or 7 tablespoons of chili in there. So what we're going to do is meet up with relatives of a close friend who can hopefully teach us about the local cuisine. My Tilly greets us at the door and instantly she reminds me of my own mum. She's super warm and friendly and personable. We cooked with this family 2 nights in a row. First night we tried some pitu, which is a coconut and rice dish, and some mutton curry. But what we really wanted to experience was some of that famous Jaffna crab varai. So we've come back a second night to give it a go.
Snake goat.
Snake goat.
Looks like
That's it. It smells a lot like capsicum. Luckily for my Tilly and her mum, it's not something they have to create on their own. It's a dish that takes quite a bit of time and there are a lot of elements involved, so everyone's hands-on here. My Tilly's dad is outside shelling and cleaning the crab, while my Tilly and her niece are inside preparing all the spices and accompaniments to the dish. Chopping, pounding, grinding, slicing, everything you need. Food for me is about sharing special moments with family and friends, and for my Tilly and her family, this was no different. You couldn't tell from the expression on her face, but my Tilly's actually been heavily influenced and affected by the Civil War in the region. No one in the house. They were here in the house? The house. Are they gone?
Not
Oh, really? Wow.
No
So you
other.
had already left? Or you were here when it happened?
No,
You were
we
gone?
left.
You were gone. When you came back?
Came back, no, here.
The family had to actually leave their home during the Civil War. They returned about 7 years later to find their house in ruins. They had to pick up the pieces again, start all over really. It's something I can't relate to personally growing up in Australia, but my parents are from Iran. They left a war-torn country as well, and I think it's something that always sticks with you, but you can let it affect you or you can move on. And it looks like, just like my family, my Tilly's family is on the mends, and food has a lot to do with that.